is a real career, and it's a place that offers stability. So I got into the electrical field because I knew I didn't want to go to college, and when I got into construction, I just enjoyed it. I was pretty good at it. So I was 28, and I had a kid on the way, and that's when I realized that things need to get serious, and that's why I found this place, and you know, through the grapevine, found out that it was it's a wonderful place to work. So it's sort of a really nice thing that these kids are being able to, you know, they're able to look at this as an avenue for them to go at 18 years old, and I was a decade later. So we went and we visited the utility building, and the utility building will take care of the heating and cooling of the entire airport.
And then when it gets dead winter, we'll have this up to 380 degrees.
And then we took a trip on the taxiways, which I think is pretty enjoyable for a lot of kids, get out on the airfield. And we took a trip down to the paint shop where all the mobile lounges are maintained.
This is the auto body shop, and as you can see, one of the people movers, the mobile lounge.
Then we visited some of our heavy equipment maintenance down at Shop 2. We took a trip over to the snow barn where we saw all of our snow equipment and how we maintain the airport runways, roads, taxiways, and taxi lanes during inclement weather.
A lot of this stuff has specialty hydraulic systems, so you'll get into a lot of hydraulics, and you'll really stay busy, and like I say, you can move around, you never get bored.
We took a trip back to, I believe it was Shop 1, where we have all of our fleet vehicles for the police department, the fire department, and our other mobile lounges are all maintained there also. And then we finished up by bringing it back here to JP Morgan, which is sort of the hub. This is something that shouldn't be forgotten either. All of our engineering department is based in this building. So, you know, if you are tired of being a mechanic and you get your degree and you want to be an engineer, you know, this is where you're going to find your resting place here too. So it's really a comprehensive tour, I think. I really hope that the kids took away that if you want to get into a career-oriented job, this is going to be one of the best outlets that facilitate that, because there are so many avenues for you to be able to take to grow your career. You know, your career is fluid and it's malleable, and it's something that's going to change, you know, for the next 35, 40 years, or as long as you want to. And the sky is the limit here, and that's the benefit, is that you have an opportunity to make this some place that you can really excel and then change, and it will grow with you. So if there's one thing that you can do, is pay attention to your proclivities, what you're good at, things that you like to do, and this place can facilitate all those things.